G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am at McDonald's. I've just come to pick up my ingredients to make my quarter pounder pizza. So let's whip on home and start putting this bad boy together. Yummo! Alright, well I'm home now. Let me show you some of the other ingredients I'm using to make this quarter pounder pizza. Alrighty, well for starters you're going to need a pizza base, aren't you? I've also got an onion here I'm going to dice up. I've got some pizza cheese, tomato sauce, some ketchup, some pizza sauce, and of course we're going to need some gherkins, aren't we? And in the bag here, well, I've got 1, 2 quarter pounders, and a couple of chips. Alright, well, let's start preparing this pizza. First of all, I need to heat the oven. A nice hot oven, about 220 centigrades. That's about 428 Fahrenheit jingles. Well, there's just a few things we need to cut up. First of all, I need to nicely dice up some onions. Now, the quarter pounder normally has some onions on it, so what we will do is, we'll use what there is there, but I don't think there's going to be enough. So we'll, nice thin slices and diced up nice and finely as you can get them. That looks mighty fine to me. Alright, next. We got the quarter pounders here. So I will be getting rid of the buns. We don't need those. I'm just using the meat and the cheese for this. Oh, this has got cheese bottom and top. Whoa, that's fancy. I didn't know they did that. Is this one bottom and top too? We'll save those pickles. See, there's the onions. They use, well, bigger onions, but there's only like 2 pieces there. Yeah, bottom and top cheese. Huh, you ripper. So I'll chop this meat into nice portions that will fit nicely on a pizza. Oh yeah. That's the portions I'm talking about, baby. Oh, and one more thing. We need some more pickles. So I'll grab a pickle out and I'll just finely slice that into nice thin slices. You may need more than 1 pickle depending on the size of your pizza. Alright, well that's all the hard work done. Let's start throwing this bad boy together. Alright, so grab our pizza base and we'll start by adding some pizza sauce onto there. If it can come out of the bottle. Hopefully that should be enough. Spread that right to the edge. I'll try and get a bit more out of there because it needs a bit more sauce. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. So now let's add some of the onions on the base. Oh, yummy, yum, yum. Onions are always good on a pizza. Well, they're great on a quarter pounder too, so they got to be good on pizzas, right? And next, we'll add some cheese. Just a little bit there. Just to tempt the base with some extra cheesage. Oh, yum yum, bubble gum. Now it's time to grab your meat. We'll sprinkle that 1/4 pound of meat all over there. Probably could have used 1/4 pounder for this. Lucky Macca's had a special on 1/4 pounders, 2 for $9 with chips and 2 drinks. I couldn't go past that. But 2 looks pretty good. Next we've got some fries here. Got to stick some of those on. I don't want too many because, well, chips can really dry out sometimes. All those carbs in there can get a bit grainy. I think that's way too many. So that should be good. Take a few off there. Put one on. Now, next, I've got my gherkins. So we'll sprinkle these over the top. Make it look nice and pretty. Yummo. And then we just finish it off with the extra pizza cheese on top. Don't go too thick, because if the cheese doesn't melt, then it's still going to taste good, but I prefer my cheese bubbling and melty. Try and get as close to the edge as I can. Clean up any of the scraps around the outside. All right. And there we have it. The pre-ovened 1/4 pounder meal deal pizza. Right, well that oven should be heated up now. So, nice and hot oven. Stick that in. And because that oven's nice and hot, it shouldn't take too long to cook, maybe only 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll stick the timer on 8 minutes and I'll come back and check on it and see how it is. Halfway through I might give it a half spin too, so it's cooking evenly. Alright, well that was about 8 minutes and 12 seconds. And there we have it. Now of course we need to finish this pizza off, don't we? So, put a drizzle of tomato sauce and some mustard as well. Oh yeah. Okay, well, let's cut it into pieces. And grab ourselves a slice. Ooh yeah. Come at me. Oh wow. Oh mate. Oh. That tastes amazing. You can really taste the flavour of that 1/4 pounder in there. That beautiful meat that they use with the cheese and the pickles there. Absolutely delicious. The chips on there, they had a nice little texture, not too many, so it wasn't too overpowering or overwhelming with all those extra carbs. But man, this tastes just like a 1/4 pounder. It tastes so good, and mate, if you made one of these for your mates, they would smash this thing, that's for sure. Oh, yum. Now I did use 2 1/4 pounders for this recipe, but you could definitely just use one. That 1/4 pounder meat patty, well, you can stretch that out, no worries. But I wonder if Rollo would like some of this pizza. What do you reckon about that, Rollo? Pretty yummy? Yes. He was literally drooling waiting to eat this pizza, and I'm pretty sure if you made it for your family or friends or kids, they'll be drooling over it too. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I create a pizza. See you then.
Oh yeah, this